Hey guys, welcome to Home Decor. Today I'm gonna take you on a journey back in time as we explore some incredible cottage inspired summer home decorating ideas. Let's start. Cottage inspired summer decorating is all about creating a home that feels fresh, airy, and welcoming. It combines natural textures, soft colors, and seasonal touches to bring the relaxed charm of a countryside cottage interiors. Here are some ideas. Use a light color palette with white, cream, soft blue, shades green, and pale yellow. Decorate with fresh flowers such as daisies, lavender, hydrangeas, and wildflowers. Choose lightweight linen or cotton curtains to let in plenty of natural light. Add oven baskets, wicker furniture, and tartan accessories for natural texture. Display vintage pictures, ceramic vases, and antique style trays as decorative accents. Style your sofa with floral gingham or striped cushions in soft summer colors. Bring in houseplants to add freshness and a connection to nature. Replace heavy blanket with lightweight cotton straws. Decorate coffee tables with fresh flowers, candles, and a stack of vintage books. Add botanical prints or countryside artwork to complete the cozy cottage look. On porches or balconies, use rocking chairs, lanterns, and potted flowers to create a relaxing summer retreat. The secret to cottage-inspired summer decor is to keep everything light, simple, and natural. Mix vintage pieces with handmade accents. Open the windows for fresh air and let your home feel calm, bright, and full of seasonal charm. Here are more cottage-inspired summer home decorating tips to make your home feel even more cozy and inviting. Decorate with fresh cut flowers from your garden or local market. Use shade white curtains to maximize natural sunlight. Layer natural fiber rugs like jute or sisal for a relaxed look. Display vintage teacups, pictures, or enamelware on open shelves. Add floral or botanical table genres for a seasonal touch. Place open baskets around the home for stylish storage. Use scented candles with lavender, lemon, or fresh linen fragrances. Decorate the dining table with a simple linen tablecloth and a vase of wildflowers. Replace dark pillow covers with pastel floral or gingham patterns. Style windowsills with small potted herbs like basil, rosemary, or mint. Hang a craft vine or giant flower shades on your front door. Use clusters or rustic vases or candle holders. Add wicker trays to organize coffee tables and kitchen counters. Create a cozy reading corner with a comfortable chair and a soft cotton straw. Display antique clocks, wooden frames, or family heirlooms for a timeless charm. Mix soft floral patterns with subtle stripes to add visual interest. Keep countertops uncluttered and decorate with only a few carefully chosen accessories. Add a wooden bench near the entryway with an open basket underneath. Decorate your bathrooms with fluffy white towels, open baskets, and fresh eucalyptus. Let fresh air in whenever possible to give your home a naturally bright and breezy summer atmosphere. These details help create a home that feels peaceful, welcoming, and full of classic cottage charm throughout the summer. Decorate your mantel with vintage mirrors, fresh greenery, and white candles. Fill clear glass vases with lemons or limes for a bright summer display. Use soft white bedding with floral quilts for cool, cozy bedrooms. Add wicker or rattan light fixtures to bring natural warmth. Display handmade pottery for an authentic cottage feel. Place fresh herbs in terracotta pots on kitchen windowsills. Mix old wooden furniture with crisp white accessories. Hang lighted floral or botanical artwork on your walls. Style a tray with candles, books, and a small bucket on your coffee table. Decorate shelves with chisels, driftwood, or smooth river stones collected from nature. Add lace or embroidered table linen. For a vintage touch, use wooden crates as decorative storage for blankets or magazines. Create a welcoming porch with talking chairs and colorful flower pots. Hang string lights in outdoor sitting areas for warm summer evenings. Decorate with open picnic baskets to add rustic charm. Place a ceramic pitcher filled with sunflowers on your dining table. Add soft pastel cushions to window seats or benches. Use natural wood cutting boards as kitchen decor when not in use. Keep decoration simple and leave open space to create a light, airy atmosphere. Keep decoration simple and leave open space to create a light, airy atmosphere. Include handmade crochet items such as table runners, cushion covers, plant hangers, or blanket throws to add warmth and a personal cottage touch. Cottage-inspired summer home decorating is a style that celebrates the beauty of nature, comfort, and simple living. It creates a bright, peaceful home using light colors, natural materials, vintage pieces, and handmade details. Instead of following fast-changing trends, this style focuses on timeless charm and a relaxed atmosphere. Light and airy color summer cottage interiors are built around soft, refreshing shades such as white, cream, ivory, chess green, sky blue, and buttered yellow, blush pink, and soft lavender. These colors reflect natural light and make rooms feel larger and cooler. Natural materials like wood, wicker, rattan, bamboo, linen, cotton, jute, stone, and ceramic are commonly used. These materials add warmth and texture while keeping the space relaxed and inviting. Fresh flowers and greenery. Fresh cut flowers, hydrangeas, lavender, daisies, roses, eucalyptus, and potted herbs bring life into every room. Even a small vase of flowers on a bedside table can transform the space. Vintage charms look for antique mirrors, distressed wooden furniture, vintage clocks, ceramic pictures, enamelware, old books, open baskets, and heirloom accessories. Mixing old and new pieces creates a home with personality. Living room. Use linen cushion, fresh flowers, wicker baskets, and light cotton straws. For kitchen, display ceramic dishes on open shelves. Keep herbs on the windowsills and decorate with wooden cutting boards. For dining room, add a linen tablecloth, fresh flowers, candles, and simple white dinnerware. For bedroom, choose crisp cotton bedding, floral quilts, and lightweight curtains for a cool, restful feel. For bathroom, use white towels, open baskets, small plants, and glass jars for storage. Decorating principles. Let in as much natural light as possible. Keep rooms uncluttered and organized. Mix floral patterns with stripes or solid fabrics. Decorate with meaningful vintage or handmade items in a state of filling every space. Refresh flowers and greenery regularly to keep the home feeling alive. A cottage-inspired summer home should feel calm, welcoming, and connected to nature. The goal is not perfection, it is creating a home that feels lived in, comfortable, and full of timeless charm, where every room invites you to slow down and enjoy the beauty of season. Cottage-inspired summer decorating is more than a decorating style. It is a way of creating a home that feels peaceful, welcoming, and closely connected to nature. Every detail is chosen to make the space comfortable, bright, and full of character, rather than formal or overly decided. Embrace natural light. Summer cottages feel open and cheerful because they make the most of daylight. Keep windows clean, use shade curtains and arrange furniture so sunlight can brighten the room throughout the day. Celebrate seasonal beauty. Bring the outdoors inside with fresh flowers, leafy branches, herbs, or bowls of seasonal fruit. Natural decorations change with the season and add color without overwhelming the space. Focus on comfort. Choose soft cotton or linen fabrics that stay cool in warm weather. Add comfortable cushions, lighter throws, and cozy setting where family and friends can relax. Keep furniture simple. Choose furniture with clean lines and natural finishes. Painted wood, distress finishes, and light-colored upholstery fit perfectly with a cottage look. Create cozy corners. Delicate small spaces for relaxing, such as a reading nook with a comfortable chair and a crochet blanket, a sunny window seat with floral cushions, a tea corner with a vintage tray and fresh flowers. Decorate with nature. Natural elements are essential. Use wooden bowls, stone accessories, wicker baskets, giant flowers, terracotta pots, and leafy houseplants. Create an effortless countryside feel. Keep it personal. The most charming cottage home include meaningful items such as family heirlooms, handmade crochet pieces, favorite books, or souvenirs from travels. These personal touches make the space feel authentic rather than staged. A cottage-inspired summer home should feel bright and airy, warm and welcoming, calm and relaxing, natural and timeless, comfortable and lived in, filled with soft textures and gentle colors. The beauty of this style is that it doesn't require expensive furniture or perfect matching decor. By combining natural materials, soft summer colors, vintage accents, fresh flowers, and handmade pieces, you can create a home that feels inviting, peaceful, and full of timeless cottage charm. Here are some ideas. Keep an open picnic basket by the door for both decoration and practicality. Place a vintage mirror where it reflects natural light to make the room feel brighter. Add soft nature sound in the background to enhance the peaceful cottage atmosphere. These ideas will help your home feel fresh, cozy, and full of timeless countryside charm all season long. Thanks for watching.